Okay, so let's look at this exercise. It says here, drum beats 3/4 drums only. Okay, so I've selected style 76 on my Nuix, and I'm just going to play that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So each bar has 3 beats. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if we go to this first line, what we see is there are 3 1s in the first bar, and then 3 2s in the second bar, so on and so forth. So every bar has 3 beats, and we have 3 notes in each bar. So the note we're going to play is 1. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, and that's it. So that's your first bar, okay? And you'll see let's just concentrate on this first line. It has 4 bars in it. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 2. So we're going 1, 2, 3 of those, and 3 of these, and then 3 of these. So we're going to play that with the drums. And that's it. Now for the second line, you'll see these things with the underlines. That means half a beat. So where there was only 1 beat before, we have to have 2 in there. So normally we count 1 and 2, 3. Okay, so this now becomes same notes. 2, 3. The third line gets a bit more complicated. You'll see there are 4 numbers that are underlined and 1 full number. So these these underlined ones are half notes. So in the case of the third line, it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3, 2. Okay, so it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. In some ways, the fourth line is actually easier because it's just a whole busy 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so there's no change through there. It's just twice as fast as the first line. So now we're going to go on to the fifth line, and that one has a long note at the start, and then so it's going to go 1 and then 2 and 3 and. Okay, so it's got a long note at the start. So this is again going to sound a bit different. Let's see if I can play it. Now this last line, second last line, what am I talking about? Second last line, so this is line 6 there, has a 1 dot. Now the 1 dot is 1.5 beats. So you're gonna hold it for 1.5. So the best way to count it is, actually the way I do it is actually count in halves, but it'll need to go 1, 2, and 3 and. Okay, so it's 1, 2 and 3 and. Okay, so Okay, then this last one. Okay, this is weird, right? We've got a 0. 0 means you don't play it, you just let the drums go. So we're only going to come in on the third beat. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. That's where we're going to come in. However, now you see it's also the semicircle or arc thing. That means hold. So once you press it, you hang on to it, you hold on to it. So you don't let go. Okay, so the zeros mean we don't play anything. The arc means we hold on to it. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. And so on the third note of the first bar, we're going to start playing, and then not let go till the second beat of the next bar. So you'll see we're going to hold that 1 through. And then to make life worse, the third bar has this 3 dot 3 3 4 held across. Wow, this is going to get really complicated.